How to identify hail damage on your Florida roof. Hailstorms in Florida can wreak havoc on your roof, leading to costly repairs if left unaddressed. Identifying damage early can help prevent leaks, structural issues, and further expenses. Here's how to spot the signs of hail damage. Dents are cracks in shingles. Look for circular depressions or fractures on the surface of shingles. Missing granules. Check for shiny or bald spots where granules have been knocked off, exposing the underlying material. Damaged flashing in gutters. Inspect metal components for dents, cracks, or warping. Soft spots or bruises. Press gently on shingles to feel for weak or spongy areas that compromise roof integrity. Water leaks indoors. Notice any stains or discoloration on ceilings or walls, which could indicate a breach in the roof. For safety, inspect your roof from the ground and examine surrounding property for signs of impact. Better yet, don't take chances with your home's protection. Call a professional today for a comprehensive roof inspection. Let us know if we can help.